How to fix invalid promo code error on Webull. First of all, let's navigate and open the Webull app and log into your account. Once you are in, from the bottom right side, tap on the menu. On the menu page, find the My Rewards option, but if you don't find it, tap on Help Center. It will open a new page on the screen where you will find the promotion option. Tap on that to move next. Tap on General Promotions one more time and then select Claiming Your Rewards. It will open a FAQ page, and in the app explanation section, tap on the blue colored My Rewards. It will open your rewards page where you will find the active deals and offers. But if you don't find any rewards at this moment, that means there is no promotional offer available. To participate in future offers, let's close this page and go to the main menu page. Here you will find the promotion center, tap on that. And here you need to participate in the active promotional offer to get a promo code. Once you have a valid promo code, you will be able to redeem it and receive rewards. And that's it. This is how you can fix invalid promo code errors on Webull. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.